I originally was thinking I was going to be an engineer, and then I did undergrad research and just kind of fell in love with the discovery and the fundamental science questions that you could ask. I'm in the molecular and cellular pharmacology program, and then I work in the Department of Biochemistry. My PI suggested that I apply for the Biotechnology Training Program. For the first 2 years, you're taking coursework. This project class was very different than any of the other classes that I was taking. It was almost 100% hands-on. So we got to come together and kind of look at some IP that was already kind of developed here at UW and then see if that could be further commercialized into a product. We actually made a ton of industry connections because we would reach out to people and tell them that we were in the BTP program, and they were really excited to interact with us. So I think it was really impactful. As part of the BTP program, people are encouraged to make a poster about their research, and it just facilitates a conversation with people in different programs and people from industry. Having the ability to make new connections and then communicate your science to a broad group of people is very important. I haven't done my internship yet, but there's a lot of good microbiome research in Germany, and that's the research that I do. So when I heard that other people have done their internships abroad, I was like, excellent. This is just a cherry on the top of opportunities. I'm not quite thinking about, next steps in a job yet, but having the opportunity to work with scientists in that space outside of academia, they have connections to so many other people, and those people working with you will be able to maybe help guide you to kind of the next step in your career.